Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a handy feature in the WhatsApp PC app that makes it easier than ever to find your messages, especially after the latest update. Let's get right into how to use the search filters. First, start by opening your WhatsApp account on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, just scan the QR code with your phone, and you'll be all set. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface for the search bar. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's the exciting part. Click on the filter icon located at the top right corner of the search bar. This little icon looks like a funnel and gives you access to some powerful filtering options. After clicking the filter icon, you'll see a variety of choices: Unread, Contacts, Non-Contacts, Groups, and Drafts. Each of these options helps you refine your search based on different categories. For instance, if you're trying to catch up on messages you haven't read yet, select Unread. On the other hand, if you're looking for a specific conversation with a friend, simply choose Contacts. Want to find out what your groups are discussing? Go ahead and click on Groups. You even have the option to see your saved drafts if you're in the middle of writing something. Once you've selected your desired filter, just browse through the results to find the chat or group you want. And there you go. With these simple steps, you can quickly navigate your messages in the WhatsApp PC app using the new search filters. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.